Mga kasangkayan, fellow plant lovers and gardeners, mo pa nga agahayong tanan. Good morning to all of you. Today is May 16, 2021 and we are here in Minasangay Marine Eco Park and Resort. So today, I am going to take you to a nature trip or nature adventure. I am sure you are going to enjoy, especially for those who are plant lovers and nature lovers, because this place is very relaxing, very beautiful, and quite amazing because of the rock formations that we are going to see later this afternoon. So, may mga ipapakita ako sa inyo ng mga lugar na talagang napakamaganda yung mga rock formation and also very beautiful plant species. So, as you can see, I am sure you are going to enjoy this vlog. Kasi nga sabi ko kanina, lalo na sa mga nature lovers, kasi tingnan nyo, we are just in the entrance of the place, but the water is already very clean and clear. Later, I am going to take you to those places that you can see at the back. Actually, these are Rocky Mountains. At doon natin makikita ang mga plant species na ipinagbabawal na kunin dito. Kasi nga, this is a nature park. So, marami yung ipinagbabawal dito. Fishing and taking of plants is strictly prohibited in this place. So bago tayo makapasok ng pinaka main ng kanilang beach resort, ay we are going to walk to this hanging bridge. So hinay-hinay lang tayo because may mga dala tayong gamit, baka malaglag doon sa sa tubig. So look at this, mga plant lovers and gardeners. As you can see, the water is so clear. Actually, mga kasangkayan, this is already my third or fourth time in this place, but hindi pa ako nagsasawa kasi napakaganda talaga ng lugar na to. So maglakad lang tayo dito sa hanging bridge na to at makakarating na tayo ng kanilang pinaka main part ng kanilang resort. So as you can see, dito pa lang sa entrance, we can already see plant species. So this one is a Philippine native orchid species. This is the Dendrobium Cruminatum or the dove orchids. So patuloy lang tayo sa paglalakad para makarating tayo sa mismong doon sa lugar na to. This one, I think this is a new structure kasi the last time I was here, I didn't notice that there was already this path or structure. Or maaaring meron na noon na pinaganda lang nila ngayon kasi parang hindi ko natatandaan itong fence na to na dinesign nila na parang bamboo. So, andito na tayo sa mismong resort and look at this, mga kasangkayan. You can already see a lot of plant species. Pero gaya nga ng sabi ko, plant poaching or plant hunting is strictly prohibited in this place. So, this one is a begonia plant. This is a species. As you can see, it has a very cute pink blooms. This is quite a lot. Look at this. Yan. So dito pa lang sa mga batuhan na to ay napakadami na ng mga makikita mong plant species. So as I have said, this is a begonia and we have just entered the place and you can already see some amazing plant species. So papasok lang tayo doon. So for this one, fishing and collecting seashells are prohibited. So maliban pa dyan, sabi ko nga kanina ay plant poaching or plant hunting is also prohibited in this place. So medyo malaki na rin yung ipinagbago. Actually, this place has been totally damaged by a typhoon. I just didn't know. I forgot the name of the typhoon, but this was heavily damaged. I think this was totally damaged by that typhoon. Pero gaya nga nang nakikita nyo, as you can see, the place has been rehabilitated and you can already see a lot of cottages. So this is an old cottage actually. Nandito na to ng, I think, the second or third time that I was here. But this cottage here, wala pa ito dito ng pinaka-last ko na pagpunta dito. Napakadami na ng mga additional facilities na nadagdag mula nang huli akong makarating sa lugar na to. So as you can see, this is really going to be an amazing nature adventure or nature trip. So dito pa lang sa mga nadadaanan natin ay may mga makikita na tayong mga cottages. Pero actually, this place is quite, what is this? Napaka maluwag, napaka mahaba ng lalakarin natin para mapuntahan natin ang lahat ng mga lugar dito. So this one, we are just walking at the what is this, coastal area. Kumbaga pinakagilid pa lang to ng place, wala pa tayong napupuntahan ng mga batuhan or wala pa tayong naakyat ng mga batuhan. Look at this. So talagang puro ano dito, puro bato. And I am happy na malaki naman talaga ang naging development mula ng pinakahuli kung makapunta dito. Ayan, napakalinaw ng tubig. Actually, we are already in a quite high elevation, kaya nakikita natin yung mga tubig sa ilalim. So this structure is new. Wala pa ito dito ng last time ako na magpunta dito. These are new structures. So we are just going to walk down and up para makarating tayo doon sa pupistuhan nating cottage. Look at this mga kasangkayan. Puro talaga dito rock formations, tapos malalalim na parte ng dagat na pwedeng paliguan actually, kasi meron naman ditong mga lifeguards and all the security blah blah. So ayan, mag-ano lang tayo, mag-aakyat baba dito sa ano na to, sa parte na to. At this is a viewing deck. Pwede tayong umakyat dyan para makakita tayo ng view sa ilalim. So ayan, so mag-aakyat baba tayo para makarating tayo doon sa pwesto na aming nirentahan or sa cottage na aming narentahan. So ayan, mabuti na lang at medyo ano na, tapos na yung pathway dito sa gilid, kasi kung hindi, we are going to have a hard time walking to our cottage. So ayan, may plant species na tayo na nakikita. Actually marami na sila. May nakita tayo kanina na plant species na may mga red little fruits. So this part here is partly damaged. So siguro baka na ano, na alunan ng may alon, na hampas ng alon na malakas. So ayan, medyo wala pa tayo sa kalahati ng dapat lakarin para marating yung cottage na narentahan namin. So dito pa lang you can already see a lot of rock formations and plant species na later we are going to climb these rocks or mountains, kasi meron namang part dito na pwedeng malakaran ng mas madali. So dito banda ay dati, I remember there were a lot of what is this? Turtles. So there were turtles, pero pinakawalan na yata kasi bawal na magkulong dito ng ano, ng mga tawag dito, ng mga turtle. So look at this mga kasangkayan. Talagang the place is really beautiful and amazing. This one is a natural bonsai. So makikita lang natin dito sa gilid at nadadaanan natin. So this was naturally a product of nature. So mali-mali na yung sinasabi ko, kasi talagang naano ako, kasi habang nagsasalita ako, patingin-tingin ako sa mga dinadaanan natin. So ayan, napakadami dito ng mga natural na bonsai ng kalikasan, kasi nabonsai sila kasi dito sila tumubo sa mga malalaking bato. So this one is a natural bonsai. So that's it for now mga kasangkayan. Mamaya talagang ipapakita ko na sa inyo ang napakamagaganda